Okay, with the service station reinstalled and all the connectors reconnected, next thing is to loop the carriage belt through the socket where the pulley is going to sit. Here's the pulley. And set the pulley inside there. Get the pulley engaged in the socket, holding tension with your hand. Go down to the other end, take the loop of the belt, pull it tight, put it over the motor head like so, and it will be loose. That belt will be loose, and then you have to pry the stopper up. You just need a little flathead screwdriver or pliers to disengage it like so. With that disengage, it's got the right tension on the belt and it should move freely. The belt is assembled. Now the next thing is the encoder strip. Put the carriage assembly all the way to the left. Take the encoder strip. We're going to run the leading edge through the slot in the back of the carriage. It's going to loop around through there. And right there is a socket where it's going to latch.